Hi there. This is Caleb Evergreen. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Allow the tensions and worries of the day to melt away as you focus on the present moment. This guided meditation will help you find peace and relief from stress. Let's begin. Imagine yourself in a tranquil garden, surrounded by beautiful flowers and the gentle sound of a trickling stream. The air is filled with a soothing fragrance, and you can feel a sense of calmness washing over you. Take a moment to fully immerse yourself in this serene environment. As you stand in the garden, become aware of any areas of tension or stress in your body. Start by bringing your attention to your shoulders. Feel the weight of stress being lifted as you consciously release any tightness or knots in your muscles. Allow your shoulders to relax and sink down. Now, shift your focus to your jaw. Often, we hold tension in this area without even realizing it. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tightness or clenching in your jaw. Feel the muscles in your face and jaw soften and relax. Moving down to your hands, notice if there is any residual tension or gripping. Allow your fingers to gently unfurl and release any tension, allowing your hands to relax completely. Feel a sense of relief and lightness in your hands. Bring your attention to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh, rejuvenating air. As you exhale, imagine all the stress and tension leaving your body, being carried away on the breeze. Each breath you take brings you a greater sense of calmness and peace. Now, bring your awareness to your mind. Notice any racing thoughts or worries that may be contributing to your stress. Acknowledge them without judgment, and then gently release them, allowing your mind to become still and peaceful. Visualize your thoughts transforming into clouds that float away, leaving behind a clear blue sky. Take a moment to connect with your inner self. Feel the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat and the warmth of your breath. In this moment, you are safe and at peace. Allow yourself to fully embrace this feeling of tranquility. Before we conclude, take a few more deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any remaining stress. As you slowly open your eyes, carry this sense of peace and calmness with you into the rest of your day. Remember, this meditation is always available to you whenever you need a moment of relief from stress. Embrace the power of your breath and the peace within you. You have the strength to navigate any challenges that come your way. May you continue to find moments of peace and tranquility in your journey.